guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the seasons in your videos on CapCut PC. So let me just select this one. For instance, I want to change the season they're in. So go to effects, go to video effects, and go to, well, just type in like winter. There's one for winter and there's one for autumn. So maybe let's try the autumn one first. It's called Transform to Fall. Apply it to your video, and as you can see, the grass changes color. You can't really see it in this video. It's like another one. So you can actually see it transform. One preferably with trees or a lot of grass. Maybe this one, okay. And as you can see, it transforms into like this kind of autumn color. There's also one for winter. I swear I can type, I just really have bad vision. Let's just remove this one. And you can add in, I think it's called Winter Begins. And as you can see, it turns into this like winter color. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that before. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!